Are you feeling lost or stuck on your life journey? Are you ready to take your life to the next level? Do you want to live a life that truly matters? In this video, we'll explore insights and tips from Life's Journey by Komarudin Hidayat, which invites us to reflect on life's twists and turns and reminds us to make the most of its opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Let's begin.
Finding meaning in life. The first step in creating a fulfilling life is finding meaning and purpose. Komaruddin encourages us to ask ourselves what truly matters to us, what our passions and values are, and what we want to achieve in life. He reminds us that our purpose may evolve and change over time, but it is essential to have a clear understanding of what we want to accomplish in life. Once we have identified our purpose, we can set goals and take action to make them a reality. Overcoming challenges. Challenges are a natural part of life, and how we handle them defines us. Komaruddin reminds us to embrace challenges and see them as opportunities for growth and learning. He encourages us not to give up in the face of failure, but instead to learn from our mistakes and keep pushing forward. He emphasizes that setbacks are temporary, and our determination and resilience will help us achieve our goals in the long run. Cultivating positive habits. The habits we cultivate have a significant impact on our lives. Komaruddin emphasizes the importance of developing positive habits, such as exercising regularly, eating healthy, practicing gratitude, and connecting with loved ones. These habits will help us maintain a positive outlook on life and increase our overall well-being. He reminds us that small changes can lead to significant results, so we should start with 1 or 2 habits and gradually build from there.
Embracing change. Change is inevitable in life, and it can be challenging to adapt to new circumstances. Komaruddin reminds us to embrace change as an opportunity for growth and personal development. He encourages us to remain open-minded and look for opportunities to learn and grow when faced with change. He reminds us that change can be a chance to start fresh and pursue new opportunities. He encourages us to embrace the unknown and have faith in ourselves because we have the strength and resilience to face any challenge that comes our way. Nurturing relationships. Nurturing positive relationships with family, friends, and the broader community is vital to our well-being and happiness. Komaruddin encourages us to cultivate meaningful connections and be generous with our time, attention, and resources. He reminds us that the quality of our relationships determines the quality of our lives and encourages us to invest in the people who matter most to us. Gratitude and mindfulness. Gratitude and mindfulness are essential practices that can help us stay grounded, present, and appreciative of life's gifts. Komaruddin reminds us to cultivate a gratitude practice by focusing on the good in our lives and expressing our appreciation to others. He also encourages us to practice mindfulness, which can help us stay centered and connected to the present moment.
Conclusion. The journey of life is ongoing, and there will always be new challenges and opportunities ahead. However, with the insights we have gained from Komaruddin's book, we are equipped to navigate our journey with confidence and purpose. We must stay true to our values, persevere through challenges, cultivate positive habits, embrace change, nurture relationships, and practice gratitude and mindfulness. With these principles in mind, we can create a life that is fulfilling, meaningful, and joyful.